Hello everyone, this is the demo video for e-learning platform. As we open the website, we will be redirected to the login page. Since we do not have an account, let's go to the sign up page and create an account. So we have created the account. Now let's log into our account. Now we can see as we log in, we are requested to verify our email address. The website has sent us an email, so we will first go to the email and verify. Yes, so now you can see that the email is verified and now we can log in. So this is our home page. On the left hand side you can see your details, and on the right hand side you can see all the courses available on our platform. We can click on the enroll button to enroll a course. We have enrolled the course. On the right hand side this circular bar shows the your progress in the course. We can go to the course by clicking on it. We will wait till the course page is loaded. So this is our course page. On the right hand side we can see the list of all the lectures. Now we can watch any video you desire by clicking on the video. The description of the video and some recommended videos from our side are also provided. We can click on the recommended video to go to that video. Along with all this, we have also provided a feedback form where you can give the feedback about the application as well as the video. We highly appreciate your feedback as it will help us improve our application further. Thank you everyone.